Hi guys, good evening to you all, and I hope that you are all good in this tough time of Corona. So I'm Ashish Gupta, and this is my channel Medico Acme India, and I'm going to discuss about reference books for discipline courses like MSc Zoology and BSc Zoology and MSc Entrance and PhD Entrances of Zoology. So in the first column, you can see the discipline courses which are taught in what? In MSc or BSc Zoology, and the second column is their respective reference books which I am going to suggest you today. So for cell biology, which is in the first semester, you can study Cooper or Karp. Karp is quite simple, quite thin book, and Cooper is very vast and what in detailed explanation you will find in Cooper. So you can study Cooper or Karp. They both are good, but Cooper is very detailed and very much explained. So you can go through Cooper if you want to study for any foreign author. For animal diversity one, that is non-core data, you can go through CodePal. CodePal is very simple and very nicely explained. Every diagram is good in CodePal. Barnes is also good, but what happens in Barnes, you can find the general characteristics in explanation, but in CodePal they are in points. For animal diversity 2, that is core data, you can go through Young. Young is very nice book and very nicely explained, very nice diagrams. Equivalent to CodePal, you will not feel that I am reading what? A foreign author book. It is just like in simple language. For comparative anatomy, you can go through Kent. Kent has very nicely explained all the pictures of amphibians, reptiles and birds. They all are compared very nicely through very sophisticated diagram in what? In Kent. But if you have a career in like medical physiology or human anatomy or medical anatomy then you can go through what? Snell's. I am telling physiology because this Guyton and Snell's, they both are medical anatomy and medical physiology respectively. So you can go through both if you are interested in medical physiology or medical anatomy and or human physiology or human anatomy, like MSc Physiology, MSc Medical Physiology you want to do or want to pursue with MSc Medical Anatomy or Human Anatomy, then you can read Snell's or Guyton for physiology. So animal physiology, Tortora is enough. Tortora has every diagram, every picture in very simple and sophisticated language, sophisticated manner. And for biochemistry, Leininger is one-man army. You had heard that Leininger is one-man army. It is very true. Leininger is one-man army because what happens if you have studied whole Leininger? Leininger is very vast, very thick book. But if you have gone through whole book, you have studied whole Leininger very nicely, then no one will stop you to clear CSI UGC NET. This is the only sole book which is recommended for what? CSI UGC NET. Harper's is very simple. If you have less time, then you can use Harper's. Harper's is preferable for the UG students which has very less time in semester to go through. So Harper's is for those students. And Harper's is quite abundant in sense of what? Not the single topic is left in Harper. Harper's has every topic covered, but what in summarized form, in simple form. Leininger has very nicely explanation. For ecology, you can go through Autumn. Autumn is the only book which I'll suggest you to go through for ecology. It has every topic covered very nicely. For genetics, you will go through Gardner or Sunstead. They both are good. Gardner has very simple language. What happens? I have written 2 reference books for you in some in some discipline courses. Then the first one is my first choice, and you can choose any of the 2. My first choice I have written in the first, and that choice is written in the first on the basis of what? On the basis of their complexity in language, complexity in diagram, and simplicity in explanation. These 3 points I have taken into consideration for writing in first. For evolution, you can go through Douglas or Hall. They both are good. Douglas has quite simple language, again here I am saying, and Hall is also good. Hall has also very nice explanations. For animal behavior or ethology, you can go through McFarlane. McFarlane has very nicely explanation of all the things like altruism, or you can say paternal care, maternal care, courtship behavior. Everything is nicely explained in what? McFarlane. For developmental biology, I will suggest you Belinsky. You will not feel like I am studying a foreign author book. It is just like Indian author book in term of language and explanation. Gilbert is thoda sa difficult, you can say, and but you can go through Gilbert also. Gilbert is also nice book. For molecular biology, you can go through Becker. Becker is very nice. If you don't want to pursue your career in like mol bio or research, then you can go through Becker. But if you want to go through MSc in any of the subject like biotechnology, where you are again going to study mol bio, then I'll suggest you ki you go through Watson and make a very beautiful note, because Watson is very deeply explained everything like transcription, replication, everything is very much in an explained way. So Watson is thoda sa what you can say ki not difficult but explained very detailed. You will find replication in hundreds of pages. So Becker I am suggesting for those who who don't want to pursue their career in mol bio kind of thing ahead, then I'll suggest you Becker. And if you want to be in research or PhD in mol bio PhD from mol bio labs, then I strongly suggest you Watson. Immunology, QB is the only one man army, I can say. QB everywhere. The immunology starts with QB and immunology ends with QB. This thing I'll say, QB is the only book for immunology. It has very explained diagrams, very explained cells for like you can say phagocytosis, cytosis, every topic for T cell development, B cell development, proliferation and activation, everything is very nicely explained in QB. Roids for those who are in UG and has very much less time to prepare for immunology, then you can go through Roids. But if you have enough time, then I'll suggest you to go through QB. For biotechnology, T.A. Brown and Glick both are very nice, and you can go through any of these depending on the topic in your curriculum. For bioinformatics, Jin Jeong is very nice. You will find very much explained database, multiple sequence alignment, pairwise alignment you will find very nice in Jin Jeong. But what happens for database, for another topics, you can go through Jeremy Ramsden also is very good. And Jin Jeong has one advantage, that this is very compact book. In hundreds of pages you will find the whole book. 100 of pages means 200 pages, you will find whole book. For biostatistics, I'll strongly suggest you AP Kulkarni. AP Kulkarni has very nice language, very nice numericals. You will find in AP Kulkarni very nice exercises and practicing all the things in very nice way in AP Kulkarni. For KR Sundaram, you can go through, it is also nice, and it has also some topics very important is covered in the KR Sundaram, which is not in the AP Kulkarni. So I'll suggest you that what happens if you will not find a single topic in single book that is written in the first or second, then you can exchange the topic from the first to second, that is the complement of first and second. So that will be fully covered then. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, and I hope you all are good, and please stay safe in this corona situation. Corona has not ended now, and please guys, support is very I'm dividing off subscribers. Please support is very necessary. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for your love. Thank you.